Hey, how's it going, folks? E.T. here with another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to pan audio left speaker to right speaker to left speaker and back again. Okay, let's get into it. First thing I'm going to do is grab a piece of video here. Let's just grab this one here. Let me expand the timeline just a bit so we can see what's going on. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to right click, unlink this audio here and delete it. Then I have some music here I'm going to drag into the timeline. And this is what I'm going to use to actually pan left to right. Okay. So what I want you to notice is when you click on video and you go to inspector, it's set to the video inspector. If you click on audio, it's set to your audio inspector. And this is where you'll find the pan controls, which allow you to kind of pan that audio to the left speaker or to the right speaker or to the left speaker, etc. So what we're going to do it simply. I'm just going to put a bunch of cuts in the audio, which will allow me to control that little section of audio so I can pan it left and right, then left and right. So let's go ahead and grab our razor tool here, and we'll just start here. Cut, 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 cut. Okay, now we'll go back to our clicker here, and the first one we'll select. We'll go over here, we'll pan all the way left. Second one, we'll go here, we'll pan all the way right. And we'll keep repeating this process. And we'll do one more. And then we'll have it go back to being fully normal. And at this point, you just hit play. And it's going to play from your left speaker, your right speaker, your left speaker, your right speaker. Alrighty. And that's basically what's it for the tutorial. Alrighty. In the post-editing process, I'll drop in the sound clips on how it actually sounds. And you'll be able to hear the left to right, the left to right, the left to right. Okay, that's it for today's tutorial. Again, I like to keep things simple. I prefer to use like iMovie or really simple things like that. But if I don't have the full controls that I need, I'll jump into DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro and get things done. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you next time. Peace and aloha.